Today I'm going to show you how to build one of our many dollhouse kits. First, I make sure and lay out everything somewhat evenly so I don't have to rummage through a pile to find the pieces I need. Now I paint the wood kit to my desire. The colors and which pieces to paint are completely up to the user. I'm going to start by gluing the top. I'm using clothespins as clamps to make sure both sides stay secure and flush. Next, I'll put together the drawers. For the flat rectangular piece, glue 3 of the 4 edges. Find the rectangle with cutouts on the shorter edges, attach this to the back edge of the first piece. Next, find one of the 6 pieces that has 2 notches on one edge. It sort of resembles a Lego brick. Apply glue between the notches from the corners to the valley in the middle. Slip the notches into the respective notch fittings on our drawer. Repeat this to the other side. Next, build 2 more following the same process. Make sure all the pieces are made for the specific size of drawer you're building. Finally, glue the faces on the drawers. These are slightly bigger pieces with holes in the middle. Make sure the bottom of the drawer is flush while gluing these on. Next, sand down your pieces if you'd like. This adds a nice weathered or aged look. Sand all the pieces you'd like. I'm starting with all of the gray pieces because the drawers are still drying. Now we're going to start the main assembly of the shelf itself. We will start with the grid. There are 2 long strips of wood with both a short cutout and a long cutout. Make sure and properly differentiate these. Slide the short cutout in the long cutout hole, making sure the different sizes are perpendicular to one another but parallel to their duplicate. These can be tough to get together. Feel free to use the ground to push down on. Do your best to get these flush and apply glue to the entire face of one side. Stick this onto the large backplate and make sure the top and sides are flush with the edges. Apply glue to one of the sides and add one of the 2 side pieces. Ensure the long edge is facing back towards the backplate and the short, thinner edge should face down. Apply glue to one edge of the bottom piece as well as the tops of the grid that it'll be glued to. Apply the trim at the top by adding a tiny bit of glue on the top edge's face. Now add the other side piece. Apply glue to the top of the whole thing and add on your initial top piece. Now I'll sand down my drawers and then slide them in. For the handles, simply apply glue to the holes on the drawers. Then just stick the handles in. And we're done. I think the final result turned out well. You can get this kit on our website, miniaturecrush.com. Thanks for watching.